Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a product comparison article in Gizzmo. Gizzmo is a powerful WordPress plugin with which you can create AI-generated affiliate content to promote Amazon products. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial on how to set up your Gizzmo account. So I'm logged into this demo WordPress website. Click on Gizzmo AI in the left side panel. And these are all of the types of articles that you can create in Gizzmo. So I'll click on Products Comparison. And these are all of the Amazon products that I've added to this Gizzmo account, which are under Your Products tab. Under the latest Public Products tab, you'll find many different Amazon products that have been added for all Gizzmo users. You can use this search box to find specific products from this list. For example, I'll search for gaming, and it will filter all products based on the search term. For the product comparison article, you can add up to 2 products. So I'm going to choose this one. I'll click on the Add button, and it will add the product. And then I will add this one as my second comparison product. And as you can see, they have been added here. You can drag and drop them if you need to rearrange the order. So I'll leave them as is, and then click Next. In step 2, we need to get and arrange the comparable features. I'll click on this Get Comparable Features button, and it will then process the request and then provide a list. Let me scroll down. You can rearrange these items by dragging and dropping them. You can even hide specific items by clicking the eye icon corresponding to the item that you want to hide. You can even generate more features by using this button. I'm going to leave them as is and then click Next. In the next step, we need to enter some keywords. You can enter up to 4 keywords, and I'll go with Red Dragon Gaming Keyboards. Next, we need to choose a theme. There are several different themes here. I'll stick with the default general theme and then click Next. Next, we have some additional content settings like adding product images, internal links, FAQs in the conclusion section. I'm going to leave this as default and then click Next. In step 4, we can monetize a blog post by using our Amazon affiliate tag to earn commissions. So I've already added my affiliate tag before, so I don't need to do that again. But if you need to add your affiliate tag, you can just click this Add Affiliate Tag button and then add your tag. Down below, you've got a few monetization options to add Amazon buy buttons, a related products carousel, and hyperlinking specific keywords. I'll check this box for related products carousel and then click Next. In step 5, you can add a featured image. I'll click this Selected Features Image button, and then you have a few options here for other images that you can use. I'll choose this one, and it's Replace the Image. You can also generate images using AI. I'm happy with these images, so I'll click Next. In the final step, you can choose a language. There are many different languages you can choose from. I'll stick with the default English. And finally click Save as Draft. It'll start processing it, and this could take a few seconds. And once completed, you will see this Save as Draft button. Click the button and it will save this post as a draft. And you'll see this Edit Post button. And if you click on it, it will redirect you to the draft post in WordPress. This is the native Gutenberg editor, but you can also use other third-party page builders like Elementor. Yours, of course, may look a bit different depending on the WordPress theme you're using, but it's recommended that you review the content and edit it. So let me cover a few settings here. In this right side panel, you can hover your mouse over this featured image and click this Replace button, and then select one from your media library or upload a new one. I'm going to leave it as is, so I'll close this media library box. In this right side panel, you can also edit the excerpt by clicking the link and then adding it into this box. So I'll go ahead and edit it and then close the box. In the right side panel, I'll scroll down and I'll change the categories like so to include tech. Further down below, you can also add relevant tags. So I went ahead and added a few relevant tags. And finally, click the Publish button at the top once you're happy and ready to publish the blog post. So let me show you how the blog post came out. So here is how it came out. I mean, overall, it looks pretty good. I decided to change the featured image, and just bear in mind, like I mentioned earlier, all of the images and links in this article will include your affiliate tag. It also has the Amazon products carousel embedded into it, but it's recommended, like I mentioned earlier, that you review and edit the article rather than just using it as is. You can check the link in the description section. You can try Gizzmo for free. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.